Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida, and welcome back to another video, guys. As you can see, rocking big perm demonology hoodie today. It is kind of chilly today in Florida. I think it got down to like 41 degrees and I'm freezing. I just had to take my other jacket off because I'm out here in the sun. But today's video is gonna be, I bought some 22-inch wheels for Tigris the Rover. So what I'm doing is I'm test fitting it before I go and get the tires mounted to make sure everything fits. This is the type of wheel that I like and I decided to go with. It may not be fancy, may not be name brand, but who the hell cares? It's what I like and what I plan to do with it. So unless you're want to send me some money on it, but let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks. So there it is, some 22-inch by 10.5. I think it has the good, it is kind of up, so it's flush out, but I think I am gonna get the over, they have the little over fender that comes out a little bit more, so I'll plan on getting those anyway. But yeah, this is what it is, some 22-inch BM, Savini BM 16. I'm gonna see if I could get a Land Rover emblem or a sticker made for that, but I do have the big brakes and it clears the big brakes, no problems. It's close, as you can see, let me give you, it's close right here, but everywhere else it turns. That's the other limitation with these, they have this right here, so that kind of limits the size wheel you could go with. So I think the smallest you could put on these with the big brakes are gonna, with the is gonna be maybe 20-inch. Some people have gotten 18-inch on here, but that's what I plan on doing, getting some 18-inch for my off-road package. But yeah, that's what they look like right now. I'm gonna load them up, go to the tire store and get them mounted up. What you guys think? Before you skip ahead, do you think they're gonna look good? All right, guys, so I have the wheels put on Tigris the Defender. Man, I think it came out good. It came out good. I also put a roof rack on, but I'm gonna show you the whole thing, and I'm gonna show you the roof rack video because I took the roof rack completely apart and painted it. But enough with the chit chat. Fighters going by. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the truck. What do you guys think? So there are some 22 by 10.5 Savini wheels, and I got some sticky Mickeys. Some Mickey Thompson Baja Boss. They ride pretty comfortable. They're not too noisy, but yeah, so that's what it looks like right now. I think the multi-spoke goes well with the 130. What do you guys think? Tell me what you guys think. All right, guys, as usual, if this is your first time, no, not even your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below. Tap, 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 tap. Like, share, comment, and more Defender, more build videos to come. Thanks for checking out the channel. Peace.